Hi guys, this is Alan speaking, and this is our farm. Today we are going to talk about things you should put in mind or factors to consider before you start up a farm for poultry. First of all, you have to know which breed you are going to put on your farm. Are they layers? Are they broilers? Are they local? And so many on. So always make a note that before you think, because this is a business, so which is your stock? Which stock are you going to deal with? Because we have many and a lot of stock. Then after that, you have to make sure you have enough capital. I'm not saying that you should have millions and millions of money on your account, but the major capital for your poultry farm is feeds and vaccines. So if you don't have enough feeds, or you didn't preserve money for feeds and vaccine, there is no way you are going to venture into this business. You will not enjoy this business, and you'll never say you'll go back to this business, because this business needs a lot of money and vaccinations of your birds. So if you are not ready, if you are not having enough capital, please first consider this before you start, because poultry can stand, but it cannot stand without money. And another thing, before even you think about which birds are you going to venture in, or which birds are you going to put on your farm, my dear, you have to be with shelter. Shelter is the major point, or it's the loot for your farm. So if you don't have housing for your birds, there is no way you will enjoy poultry. You will not enjoy this business, because where are your birds going to stay? So if you are this kind of person who has no land, who doesn't own anywhere, please don't think about this business, and never think about to rent somewhere to do this business, because by the time you come up, by the time your business is 90% ongoing, that's the time when the owner of this land is going to come up and say, please, I need that land. And this person will not tell you that I need this land to do this and this. No, this person is jealousy because of what you are doing. Okay, so this person will demand this land according to what you are doing. Are you gaining enough profit? Are you developing? So the owner of this land will demand this land because it's seeing you prosper. Okay, so never think about this business if you don't have enough land. So another thing you should put in mind, that you have all the requirements needed for the setup, because we have got a lot of requirements needed to set up. So in our next video, I will be explaining more about the setups, or what we need to set up a brooder for our chicks. So let us have this for today, but in another video coming up, I'm going to explain and note for you down, or at least the startup requirements to stay in this business at least for 4 months. If you are going to go for broilers, but if you are going to stay with layers, local chicken, then I'll give you a setup for these birds to stay in business, and you get more profits. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. This is Aline from Farmhouse Farm in PG.